In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Payroll in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find Payroll inside Zoho Books, how to start the setup, and what to expect on the initial form so you can move forward with confidence. Begin on your Zoho Books dashboard. Make sure you're signed in and looking at the correct organization, especially if you manage more than one. A quick glance at the organization name in the header helps avoid creating payroll in the wrong place. It also helps to confirm you have the right permissions. Typically, admins and finance roles can access payroll. Next, look for the Zoho payroll option. You'll usually find it on the dashboard or in the navigation menu. Click Zoho Payroll to open the payroll area. If you don't see it, your region or plan may not support payroll yet, or your role may not have access. In that case, check with your account administrator or confirm that payroll is available in your country edition. On the payroll page, select Try Payroll. This starts the onboarding flow and enables payroll features for your organization. You're not running payroll yet, you're just turning on access and beginning the guided setup. In many cases, there's a trial or a no commitment preview so you can get familiar with the interface before processing anything live. You'll now see a setup form for your organization. Fill in the empty fields carefully and consistently with your official business records. Use the exact legal business name and registered address, and ensure the filing address matches what's on file with your tax authorities if that's requested. Enter any required tax information and identifiers exactly as they appear on your official documents. If the form asks for contact details or payroll dates, choose values that reflect how you actually operate, like your standard pay frequency or the month you plan to start payroll. Accuracy here prevents compliance issues later and keeps payouts and filings on track. If you're unsure about a field, hover over any help icons or consult your internal finance documentation. Save yourself rework by double-checking spelling, formatting, and state or region selections before proceeding. When everything looks correct, click Save and Continue. This confirms your details and takes you forward into the payroll experience within Zoho Books. At this point, you've successfully accessed payroll. You'll see the payroll dashboard where you can complete the rest of your configuration at your own pace, such as adding team members, defining pay components, and reviewing statutory settings. If payroll doesn't appear or the page doesn't load, try refreshing your browser, signing out and back in, or testing another browser. Also verify your role permissions and that payroll is supported for your location. And that's it. You've accessed payroll in Zoho Books and are ready for the next steps.